Let's review how to register for a class. Click Student Planning and then go to My Progress. You can see for spring 2020 that I plan to take English 104. Click the blue search button. Then click View Available Sections. You can now scroll to see the various sections offered. Click Add Section to Schedule, and then click Add Section. You can see that this section is now planned. However, you are not registered yet. Go to Plan and Schedule. And as you can see, we have English 104 Section 10W planned. Go ahead and click Register Now. It's important to note that the blue Register Now and Register buttons do not appear until your plan has been reviewed by your advisor. English 104 10W is now on your schedule. You can click Meeting Information to see the dates and location of the class. Now let's click on Timeline and you can see your plan semester by semester, and we see that English 104 has now been registered.